This is a trifold brochure to retarget travelers after a stay at one of our resorts. We want to boost that conversion rate, so we're going to turn it into a template in GraFx Studio and customize it to each traveler. Spoiler alert, most elements on this trifold are going to be turned into variables, meaning we can change images, text, numbers, etc. based on our audience. Alright, let's get to it. First, we included color variations for each type of resort, i.e. beach, ski, lake, ranch, and spa, and we connected that to the name of the property. Then we included a discount percentage as well as a booking deadline. We also added a cover image that we linked to a down folder to target demographics. And yes, we're going to do this again for views, food, and activities. Next, we added a room upgrade that we based on a previous stay and then incentivized travelers to either use or apply for one of our credit cards and earn points. After adding images of both views and food, which we can customize for different types of travelers like partygoers or families for instance, we added activities based on either what travelers booked on a previous stay or might be more likely to book on a future stay. We finished this with a CTA and a QR code to a landing page or an app. As you've probably guessed by now, there is a lot of logic added to this template to connect everything together. We did it all with the help of our AI assistant, GraFx Genie. We basically entered a few simple prompts and it did all the work for us. All that's left to do is connect it to the data source and we can produce an unlimited number of variations to target the right travelers at the right time. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to try GraFx Studio today.